Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can open and edit PowerPoint slides using your iPad. So let's begin the video. So in order to open and edit PowerPoint slides on your iPad, you're going to need the free app which is called Keynote. It should be pre-installed on your iPad. However, if it is not present, you can download it for free completely from the App Store. Once you have the Keynote app, you need to now identify where your PowerPoint slides are actually present on your iPad. So in my case, it's in the Files folder. If you're not seeing different folders, you can click on this menu right here and it will show you different menus from which you can open the folder. So you need to find where your PowerPoint slide is actually saved if you have imported it. So in my case, it's the climate change file which is present right here. And once you have identified where your PowerPoint slides are present, you're going to open the Keynote app. From here, you're going to click on this menu and we're going to open our PowerPoint slides. So it's the one right here. It will take some time depending on how many slides you have. So it's saying these fonts are missing. We're just simply going to click on done so that it's open it, and here it will show you all the slides. And if you want to play the PowerPoint, you can click on the play button. If you want to edit slides, you can click on the edit button, and from here you can edit the slides. As you can see, I can move the text, I can change the size, etc. If I want to do formatting, I will click on this brush icon right here, and from here I can do all these different things including the position, the size, the formatting, and so on. So this is just a demo video, and now you have an idea how you can edit the files. Once you are done, click on this I button again, and if you want to share it, click on the share button. You can actually airdrop it, message it, mail it, and any other app that you have installed, it should be shown here. If you want to export it, you can click on the export and send button, or you can save it to the files folder. Just click on it and save it onto your files folder. So yeah guys, in this way you can open and edit PowerPoint slides on your iPad. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe